Good morning, children. All of you open your textbook, English textbook, page number 42. Okay, children. All of you open your textbook, page number 42. Okay. Here our next lesson, laughing song. Our next lesson, laughing song. Okay. Okay. See here in this page, our laughing song lesson. See, first of all, on box is there. That is, the poem is a celebration of nature. It describes the joy and happiness that rise forth from the woods, the stream, the hill, and everything around. The birds, the grasshopper, and the meadows all seems to be coming alive with laughter and song. Okay. See here, laughing song poem is a celebration of nature. Celebration. This poem is telling about the nature. Celebration of nature. Okay. It describes the joy and happiness. Okay. It describes joy and happiness that rise forth from the woods. Forth from the woods, stream, hill, and everything around. Okay, children, everything around. That means in our nature having hills, okay, streams, woods. Okay, that means like trees, mountains, air. Okay, these all are called nature. So we have everything around. These are there. Okay, everything. That means woods, stream, hill. These all are around us. The birds, the grasshopper, and the meadows all seem to be coming alive with laughter and song. Okay, the birds, grasshopper, like grasshoppers, and the meadows all seem to be coming alive with laughter and song. Okay, so see here in this page, one picture, big picture is there. What is that in this picture? Having birds, river, grass, okay, hills, more plants, that means trees, okay, and here in that river having fishes. Okay, so here 4 children are there. 4 children are celebrating. Okay, on the table having fruits and like cakes again. Okay, so these all are having celebration. Okay, so see here in our first stanza, when the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by, when the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laughs with the noise of it. Okay, see here again, when the green woods means that is trees. Okay, green means leaves, wood means trunk is there. Okay, so that is the green wood like trees. Okay, when the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. Dimpling means refers to the waves that appear on the water that resemble a dimple on a person's face. Okay, refers to the waves that appear on the water that resemble a dimple on a person's face. Okay, so and the dimpling stream means air. Okay, dimpling stream runs laughing by. When the air does laugh with our merry wit. When the air does laugh. Okay, air also laughing here. And with the merry wit. Merry means happy. Okay, air also laughing with happily. And the green hill laughs with the noise of it. Green hills also laughing with the noise of it. Okay, so when the green woods are laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by, when the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laughs with the noise of it. Okay, this is our first stanza. Okay, see here. Here antonyms also there. Merry means happy, but antonym sad. Okay. Wit means ability to use words cleverly. Okay. So the antonym are seriously. And here one bit is there. The word dimpling is used to describe the dash. The word dimpling is used to describe the woods or streams. That about streams. Okay. So that is our first stanza. Okay, coming to our second stanza. When the meadows laugh with lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. When Mary and Susan and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing ha ha ha. When the meadows laugh with lively green. Okay, meadows means field with grass and flowers. Okay, fields with grass and flowers. That means including grass and flowers also laughing with lively green. And the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. Grasshopper also laughs in the merry. Merry means happy, happy scene. When Mary, Susan and Emily, these three members, that is names, Mary and Susan and Emily, with their sweet round mouths sing ha ha hey. Okay, with their sweet round mouths, that means sweet round mouth. Okay, sweet mouth, round mouth, sing. Okay, these children are singing like ha ha hey. Okay. So again, when the meadows laugh with lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. When Mary and Susan and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing ha ha hey. Okay, then our third stanza. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherries and nuts is spread. Come live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha hey. Okay, when the pointed birds laugh in the shade, pointed birds, in this picture having birds also. Okay, in our environment having birds also. So the pointed birds are laughed. Okay, the pointed birds are laughing in the shade. Shade means tree having shade. Tree is giving shade. Okay, so in that shade the birds also laughing. where our table with cherries and nuts is spread. Okay, in that shade. Okay, children, trees are giving shade. In that shade, placed a table, and on the table having cherries and nuts. See in this picture here, trees shade have. So in that shade only they kept table. Okay, on the table having cherries and nuts. Okay, so where our table with cherries and nuts is spread. Come live and be merry and join with me. So come live and join with me and be happy. To sing the sweet chorus of ha ha hey. Okay, these 3-4 members are these 3-4 children are calling the birds. Okay, calling the birds and join with us and be happy. They are saying to birds. Okay, and also sing with me like chorus ha hey hey. Okay, so they are saying to birds, you also join with me and be happy. Sing a song chorus of ha ha hey. Okay, so this is our laughing song poem. Who written by this poem? This poem is written by William Blake. Okay, William Blake. William Blake is written by this story. Antonyms are there. Sweet means sweet antonym harsh. Spread antonym gathered. Okay. So here bits also there. The things that are green in the poem are woods and meadows are woods, meadows and hill. Woods and meadows and hills also. Okay. Then the names of dash girls are mentioned in the poem. 3 or 4? Only 3 girls mentioned in the poem. Okay. So this is our laughing song lesson. That's it today. Tomorrow we will continue the next topic. Okay. Right.